gone. Just everything's gone. Yeah, everything's gone. Even my lighter and my deodorant. I was having so much fun with them. Best night ever.
I'm about to bomb this whole motherfucking plane.
Andrew, I'd be honored if you took the first bite.
Holy shit.
Drew, wait, Rich. I knew he'd like it.
Well, we've had an empty seat at the table this year. Ma. I know, Ma.
He's so delicious. Eat. My ham. Ham?
Hammond. My father. Ham was his nickname. There's no wish from this house. Can you finish your come.
Okay. Woo! Woo! I thought the momentum kind of swings your feet, but you really want me to lift them. Sit down, feet up. Like, sit down, feet up. Okay. Shut up! Shut up! Sit down, lift up. Take one. Take two, bro.
Man, go. You holding up the line.
I can't wait to see you go. Okay, walk to the edge and then hang. Okay, I get it. Let's go. Yeah.
I put you on just now, bro.
It's a bad one.
How?
Like bumblecluck. Like this. Bumblecluck on this idiot man.
Oh, there you
Rocky, I don't even know what you look like. Can I touch your face?
Of course, Diana.
Oh, God. Oh, God. What is this? What is all this? Am I touching the outside of a house? Oh, God. You're a monster. I'm beautiful on the inside. Yeah, but Rocky, there's a limit. Come on and play.
Right around the corner. Oh my God. I have to put it down. Yeah, just stand it up.
He stole that guy's pizza.
Who the fuck does Ace think he is?
Oh, he stole that guy's pizza. He stole that guy's pizza.
Sometimes when poor people
I don't know who needs to hear this, but sometimes you gotta learn to let go. You ain't gotta go through all this. Get up and get out of them relationships like
Why
that.
are you here, bro?
You need to find you somewhere to go now.
That's right. Sometimes you gotta walk away. Ain't no need to go through all
And
that.
take your cat too.
Yeah, I hope you don't mind. I got up a little early, so I took the liberty of milking your cow for you. Yeah, it took a little while to get her warmed up. She sure is a stubborn one. Whew.
We don't have a cow. We have a bull.
Whoa.
we don't have a cow.
Come out and play.
I told you something.
Come out and play.
Anything.
Come out and play.
Dökme, tamam mı?